In this video, we're going to look at finding median and mean using your graphing calculator. This is the same data set that we used on the video that found mean and median on the WebAssign or Cengage product Salt. For your graphing calculator, you go to Stat, straight up from the 8, go to Edit. If there is data in here in your L1 column that does not match the data that you need from your problem, arrow up to L1, hit clear, then hit enter. In the L1 column, we're going to want to carefully enter our data. Hit enter, 188, enter, and you'll do that until you run out of data points. Take your time and make sure you get it entered in correctly. And finally, we've got the last entry. Once your data is entered, second mode, that'll take you back out to the original calculation screen. If you want to clear out anything that's on your screen, feel free to do so. Stat, this time, right arrow to the Calculate tab, one variable statistics, enter to bring it up, enter to actually perform the function. X bar is your mean. And if you look over here on the other side, that matches. This down arrow tells us that there's more information. Using your down arrow, median is 172. And that matches our answer key over here. Median is 172. There is no easy way to do mode. The best way I can tell you is if you go to second list, arrow over to operations. So let me do that again. Second, stat, right arrow to operations, sort ascending. So hit enter to select one. Then go back to list, second, stat, tell it you want it to read L1, and then hit enter. Once it's done, stat, edit, and the numbers you typed in will now be in order from smallest to largest as you down arrow. Now notice we've got a couple of 151s, a couple of 169s, but there are actually 3 181s. So far that's the most. Keep arrowing down, and eventually you exhaust your list. So it turns out 181 shows up the most, and that turns out to be our mode. Hope this helps.